Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram group in your Android device. Okay, so if you don't have Telegram app on your Android phone, then you can go to Play Store and you can type Telegram in the search box over here, and you can install it. Okay, I already installed, so let me open it. And after that you need to tap on these three bars over here, and here we have this option, new group. Okay, just tap on it, and guys, here you will see all the the people, all your contacts over here. As you can see, new group up to 100,000 members you can add. Okay, so you can add people. So let me add this guy over here. I just want to add this guy only. You can add up to 100,000 members. Okay, and just tap on this check mark over here in order to create the group. Okay, as you can see, it's asking me the group name, so let me type any name like test group. Okay guys, and also you can upload the picture from camera, from gallery. I'm skipping that. Okay, and you just need to tap on this check mark in order to create the group. As you can see guys, the Telegram group has been created, test group, and it has 2 members. And guys, suppose if you want to invite some friends, then you just need to tap on this, and you just need to tap on this add member, invite to group via link. Okay, and here is the link that you can send to the guys that you want to invite. Here you can copy, revoke link, and share link. Suppose if I tap on this share link, so here you can share via Bluetooth, via messaging, or also on WhatsApp. Okay, this link over here, invite link, and also you can copy and send it to the people that you want to invite to your group. Okay guys, so it's really very simple. You can easily create your Telegram group, and you can add members, you can invite members to your group very easily. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please comment and subscribe. Bye bye.